We spent 7 days driving the entire Oregon coast. It was fucking awesome.
Waking up, we're in Bandon. We just slept on the side of the street in a residential area. We made this shoot out here, so we didn't sleep in a state park and get fined or something, but we're here. Let's check out where we slept.
Pretty nice spot for a coffee. Back of the truck, free from the wind. This is luxury. And that person behind me is living in even more luxury, I believe. But way it goes. Blanco Lighthouse. This is very, very windy. I feel like I'm at the top of the summit. Beach. It's extremely windy. I guess it's got some red rock reminiscent of Arizona. Wow. What a beach. They said it was protected, but it's a real windy day out here today. So I pulled over to check out yet again another beach, and I smelled a bit of poo, and I looked down, and there's a huge pile of human fecal matter on the ground beside my truck, and in my new tires, in my tread, is just loaded with human poo. I'll show you, like, go to the bush, man. Why do you have to poo in the middle of the road? It's a huge pile of shit. That's over, and it's loaded, fresh poo in my tire. That's from today. They even left the toilet paper in the middle of the road. Like, I'm gonna have to do some weird driving finagling to miss it. Like, I'm gonna hit it with my back tires too. So here's Niseka Beach. I'm gonna call it Poo Beach. Look at this. Shovel, sewer. Now my tire's covered in poo. We're out of here. We're at Cape Sebastian. We're looking at the town of Gold Beach here. We're gonna go walk out to the end, check her out. There it is, the one and only, the legendary Arch Rock. Arch Rock. Arch Rock. Pretty sweet though. So here's the natural bridges. There's actually, you can kind of see the tops of those bridges. There's a bit of a trail, so those are pretty cool. Two little archways. Thunder Rock Cove. This is insane. planet are we on, man? Secret beach, not so much of a secret, but it's sick. Very, very sweet, and you need to check it out. Come hang out, totally protected from the wind. Lime. Checking out Cape Ferello right now. It's one of the nicest capes on the coast, and it's really different than the other wooded, rocky capes we've walked on. This cape's complete grass, and the views are gorgeous. You get to see both sides, a full 360. Cape Ferello's got to be on your hit list when you're driving down the coast. My mind just keeps getting blown, but we're almost done. We're in Brookings, we're having another beer, we're catching another sunset. It's gonna be lovely. Burning my eyes one more evening, once again. So fun.
And just like that, our trip came to a close. We enjoyed one last foggy morning in Oregon, went for a quick hike up Humbug Mountain, made some delicious pancakes, hung out in Portland for an evening, stopped by Seattle. Now it's time to go back to the mountains.